Alright guys, really quick, I just want to talk to you guys about 1UP Racing's premium RC solder. I shouted them out earlier, but I really want to talk about this tube because it minimizes the amount you have to touch the solder. And you can just really quick, just boom, boom, bap, bap, and you're all set. 10 out of 10, I highly recommend this 1UP Racing's premium RC solder. If you're going to be upgrading your electronics, this is what you're going to want to be using. This is what my soldering looks like.